Today we're here at the Wienerschnitzel, and we came to get their seasonal tamales. Wait, I just got one, so tamale. So there's the tamale there, and then it's got chili and cheese on it, which I found out the people in Mexico don't do. I think it's a Southern California thing. Probably from Tommy's, original Tommy's hamburgers. Go ahead, let me show you the inside of the, wait, we can do this. Here we go. There's the shredded beef, and then the outside. I'm sure this is not like your grandmother's tamales. But for those of us that are not of Mexican descent or Hispanic descent, this is serviceable. There's lots of meat in it. And then there's also the chili on the outside, so you're getting kind of a lot of food. I don't remember how much it costs, so we'll put the price up there. But yeah, if you feel like having a tamale and you want to just, and other people want hot dogs or something, come to Wienerschnitzel and get their tamale. It's not bad. So it's not the best tamale ever, so but it's pretty good. So I think I'll give it maybe a B. It is serviceable. It's not horrible. Tastes pretty good. I think the price was pretty good too. So yeah, and they seem to do it during Christmas, so that's the when they do it. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.